Have you ever wanted to have additional shade on your deck, but you don't want to deal with those big, bulky umbrella stands? Well, this is the Rail Easy umbrella mounting system, and it's the perfect space-saving solution. It's adjustable, so it can fit most railing sizes, and it even works on round railings. It has this patented locking design, so it holds securely to your railing. Now, you can direct the shade wherever you need it. With an umbrella that has a tilt, you can get amazing coverage, because the sun's not always overhead. And if you need to move it, just undo the knobs. You can move it in seconds. Plus, the Rail Easy has these slippery plastic pads, so it won't mark your railing. Now, a lot of people wonder, is my railing going to be strong enough? Well, if your railing is strong enough to lean on, which I hope yours is, then it's strong enough to use the Rail Easy. And with the new bottom bracket, it makes the setup even more sturdy, even in the wind. It's made of 100% aluminum and stainless steel, so it holds up great in all weather conditions. It can accommodate most umbrellas and pulls up to 1.5 inches in diameter, so you can even use it for shade sails or privacy blinds. You can even use it to mount a TV. The best part is when it comes to putting it all away at the end of the season, you don't have to deal with a bulky umbrella stand you have to store. Rail Easy is a non-permanent, elegant solution, and it looks great. Think of it like functional bling for your railing.